So today's video is going to show us how to get from the Bermuda Cruise Ship Pier to a couple of sites that are easily within walking distance, that being the National Museum of Bermuda, includes Dolphin Quest and Snorkel Park. So let me show you where each of these places are. So the cruise ships park here. This is the National Museum there, and Dolphin Quest is right there. Snorkel Park is over here. So everybody that leaves a cruise ship and wants to go onto the island of Bermuda has to come across this little causeway bridge right here. There's a concrete shack there, or a concrete hut, you might say. So on today, in order to get to either one of these spots, we're going to continue on this lane and walk down here. The museum entrance is there, and then if you carried on the sidewalk, you get over to Snorkel Park. Okay, let's have a look here. We're at the Bermuda Pier, and we're going to do a little walking tour over to Snorkel Beach and the National Museum entrance, that sort of thing. The National Museum entrance also will take you into Dolphin Quest. So we're looking at the exit from the pier. There's walking lanes and driving lanes have to come from the ships past this little concrete building and onto some lanes. So we're going to now turn around and start headed down this lane, so you'd be making a right turn. The traffic goes the other way, but we can walk along these sidewalks here. Continuing on, we're just about at the entrance now for the National Museum. Entrance to some malls there on the left. Now, just beyond that tent down there, right where the palm tree is, there's a sign, and there's a area in the fence you could head off to the National Museum in Dolphin Quest. So let's keep walking on down now, and we can head towards Snorkel Park, which is right at the end of this little street. Off the left is another little mall. Now, so zooming in now, there's a playground area right at you're going to have to walk through an entrance in that big wall at the entrance, and that'll take you to Snorkel Park. Let me just zoom in here. So the entrance is, there we go, Snorkel Park, and the miniature golf place. So